Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro and you're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. We don't do any trade signals or indicators. It's just my trade journal. And the whole purpose is to record my thoughts on price action and see, am I aligned with the market, because this is about day trading for an ROI payout. And we've already had the 8:30 a.m. catalyst and it was a snooze fest. We're currently on 9.2 handle range for the whole Globex. 3-day average has been 36.5. So definitely we're in the doldrums of consolidation here. I've got a 24-hour chart up that you can see how the gold line upper, this is the upper Bollinger Band, has been tagged 4 consecutive days. Would this be the day it doesn't tag it? I don't have that answer, but I'm just going to wait and see later in the session to trade if the proper setup comes in. So let's look at the levels on the next following charts. Okay, we're looking at a 4-hour chart. So yesterday's high for the PM session for Monday was up here, 4565.25. So that's our 2023 long-term high. And this is a 4-hour chart, and this is our current bar as we speak. And the red is New York NYMO, so that's the midnight open. And we've got London coming in at this blue line at 45.51. So I'm not going to get real excited about anything unless we go to new week open gap, because you can see here relative equal lows are down here at 45.30 right here where this yellow is circling. Below that, we've got gaps galore, but let's just look at what price did in the last 6 trading days. What it did was it repriced this 2022 weekly liquidity void. It went almost to the top of it and repriced as of yesterday. And we've got a yellow rectangle that's a 15-minute fair value gap. So I'm going to call that an inversion fair value gap. And we'll see if we can go lower. Again, I'm not going to really see that a mean reversion is going to happen until we can at least go 10 handles down. And it's been very hard for price to have any two-way action for over a week now. So that's the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the next chart. Okay, 15-minute benchmark. This just is a zoom in on, again, the high of the year right here. And here's the inversion fair value gap right here in yellow. And the blue line denotes the London rate high, and the red line is New York midnight, and of course London is right up here. And I will say the London came in at the open that matched literally to the tick July 14th, Friday's RTH open. So definitely this is a level, and that comes in at 51.50, 45.51.50. So again, what's the relative low here? It's way down here, 45.30. And again, before we hit that, there's a magnet, which would be the new week open gap. So that's it. The play is pretty simple. I don't know that it's going to happen, though. So we're in a very much of a consolidation zone. And you can see the last few sessions. This is all the way back to Friday over here, this high. And then we go up, we've got this high for Monday. So far in Globex, we've not matched the high. So maybe we've explored the highs. The line in the sand for me is this rectangle 15-minute fair value gap. I appreciate you guys watching. That's all for this video. It's a boring session, 9 handles and change total, and we're going to open up in less than 45 minutes. We open for the RTH. So I'm going to wait and see, sit on hands. I'd like to put on a size trade if I see a setup, and the setup is going to be, if we get back to this yellow rectangle, I'd like to see how it responds to consequent encroachment for a possible short. Thanks again for watching. Aloha. Take care.